Theme song po ng Magic 7. Mga barkada ko guys ng kabataan. Theme song po namin po. I can't remember when you were there when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything to this. Can't imagine anything we missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I'm staying. I'll stay with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted to, I listened to before. I swear you took me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every time. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every time. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Para po sa Magic 7, nung kabataan kasi may grupo po kami. A group of mananayaw dati na kung saan ang disco, nandun kami. So 7 po kami. I am referring to Mayan, Marbel, Roslyn, ako, si Dingding, si Glenda, Sino pa? Si Merlita. 7 ba yun? Parang 6 lang Kami kasi yung mga tumatakas dati. Dumadaan sa bintana para lang makasayaw. Nakadisco na. Kaya nabuo po ang Magic 7 because of my effort. Yung ano ko din, pagpupursige kong mag-ask ng permission sa mga parents, sa mga titas na payagan po kaming pumunta sa sayawan. Pero kung hindi, lumalabas yung kalokohan namin. Sa bintana kami dumadaan. Doon namin inihuhulog ang mga sapatos, yung mga damit namin, at nag-change kami ng clothes doon sa madilim na part ng barangay namin, which is doon sa bandang bahay ng kasabwat naming Magic 7, si Merlita. Parang bring back the memories, no? So, nakakatuwa lang. Parang naibabalik lang natin yung kabataan natin na sobrang namin talaga doon. So, sana magkita-kita tayo. Mabuo tayo. Meron na tayong t-shirts dyan. So, puhon-puhon. Banding. God bless everyone. Nagtell lang ko ng story, ha. Pasensya.